Okay, you can start, don't stop. You can start video like this. So hot today, guys. Humidity is 97%.
Are you kidding me?
Is it on? Hello guys, it's Max and Russian Vibe. Today we're going to learn the expression that going to make you sound more like a native Russian speaker. Are you excited? In English we say, better late than never.
But better late than never.
Well, better late than never. Come on, Mater.
So I'm going to teach you, I'm going to teach you the Russian equivalent for that. Okay guys, in English and in Russian the meaning is the same, and it sounds like this. Лучше поздно, чем никогда. Лучше поздно, чем никогда. Better, лучше, поздно, late, чем, than, никогда, never. Literal translation. Okay, for example, the situation. You promised your friend that you will finish or you will do something for him by tomorrow, but you didn't manage to do that. You accomplished that 1 month later. And your friend says, okay man, лучше поздно, чем никогда. So at least you finished that. At least you have done that. Лучше поздно, чем никогда. Better late than never.
Лучше поздно, чем никогда. Лучше поздно, чем никогда.
So again guys, лучше поздно, чем никогда. It was Max and Russian Vibe. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you shortly. Bye.